Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
1Z Entertainment nag-post at nag-update ng status sa social media. Sila'y nagpapasalamat sa tagumpay ng Simula at Wakas concert sa buong mundo with SB19, the King of P-pop. From one side of the world to the other, SB19 experience what is music truly about, connection. Meeting fans across continents was a reminder that their song travel far, touch live, and keep pushing them to break boundaries and get in the zone. Every time they perform on stage during World Tour concert nila. Dagdag ng 1Z Entertainment, sila'y taos-pusong nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng 18 at mga fans, casuals na kung saan sumusuporta sa Simula at Wakas concert nila sa buong mundo. Dagdag pa nila, hindi pa tapos ang laban, hindi pa tapos dahil ito pa is simula. Samantala, ating tingnan ang mga larawan nila at syempre ang mga komento ng fans, 18.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.